The Philippine Air Force has embarked on the acquisition of Maritime Patrol Aircraft under the Long Range Patrol Aircraft (LRPA) acquisition project, which is a Horizon 1 phase priority project under the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program (RAFPMP). An initial requirement for 2 aircraft were planned to be acquired under this project, with an approved budget of contract (ABC) worth PHP 5,976,000,000. History. Being a maritime country, the Philippines is surrounded by vast bodies of waters that serves as its natural border with other countries. This natural environment is a strong reason for the armed forces of the Philippines to have a capable maritime surveillance, strike, and defensive capabilities. For the Philippine Air Force, this means enabling to support maritime defense from the air. But the PAF has not been operating an actual maritime patrol aircraft since the early 1990s, when it retired the remaining Fokker F-27-200 MPA Enforcer aircraft, its first full-fledged maritime patrol aircraft with surveillance electronic systems, after the service was unable to repair those surveillance systems, and just converted the maritime patrol aircraft into standard troop carrier and transport aircraft in 2013, the PAF decided that acquiring new maritime patrol aircraft would be among their top priority, and has included it in the Horizon 1 phase of the newly approved revised AFP modernization program. As early as late 2013, the pre-procurement process of the Long Range Patrol Aircraft (LRPA) acquisition project has been underway, and was decided to be a 2-stage bidding as guided by the revised Government Procurement Act RA 9184, that would start by June 2014. The aircraft are to be completely delivered within 3 years after receiving the Notice to Proceed (NTP) from the DND.